Hello everyone. I'm here with Mtstreet. It's Fonzie Zero, and I'm here with Mtstreet. Um, she gifted me something. So we're gonna just start from my brother. Super General 0309. Nice thing.
You can recycle it for gems. It'll give you 1,000 gems.
I forget to. Okay. Very proud of you. That's pretty good. Thank you. Black Panther 101. Howling Mutt. Oh my. Is it?
That's like the.
How do you know? Oh my gosh.
Because it says tan carpet.
How do you know? Oh my god. Wow. Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna close my eyes. 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Those are the glitched ones, I think.
How do you know?
The white ones are glitched.
I didn't even know the pigtails could get glitched.
They are.
Was this the one the really good one
Yes.
you were talking about?
Okay, this is the last one.
He said it's a din item. So.
I did. It's her brother.
So
close your eyes on
this
this one.
She's really, really cool.
Close your eyes
on
this one.
Might know her.
Close your eyes.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Wow. Why did you send me that? No, that's all because he thought it was urgent to get all this good stuff. So, wow. And she did request. No, I want my other money. She did request me to gift back her, so I will be gifting her back. I'm gonna actually gift her really good. That's the best I can do because a lot of my stuff is like gone. And most of it is not good. So, who is this? Oh. Some of you might know Celebrations. She's like, oh, she left. So thanks for everything. Guys, and especially to the people who sent really, really good stuff. Even, everybody was really good gifts actually this time. Thank you, everybody. Bye.